For years I put it off: the noise, the fumes, the pull cord that never worked on the first try. I thought electric mowers were just toys, but this summer I tested the top models from every major brand, and what I found completely changed my mind. I discovered the one critical mistake most people make when buying electric, and the 5 mowers that absolutely crushed it. All product links for your buy are in the video description. Stick around, because one of these will give you the perfect lawn and save you a fortune. Starting at number 1. Ego Power Plus 21-inch Select Cut XP Electric Lawn Mower. Several features made the Ego worthy of our top recommendation, no small achievement in our mower tests. Its outstanding cut quality makes healthy grass look like velvet after a trim. Even in mulching mode, we did not find clumps of accumulated clippings after the mower was finished. It's important to specify here that these tests were performed on dry grass. We attribute that cut quality to the X-shaped blade, a design developed decades ago on Honda's gas engine mowers, and to the smooth and unobstructed deck surface surrounding the blade. It's also an excellent bagger, gathering pounds more grass per square foot of test area than most mowers. You have to be aware of that when operating this mower. Its bag will fill more quickly than you might think. Although we spend most of our time testing mowers in mulch mode, we recognize that bagging is particularly important to people who have a lot of foot traffic in parts of the yard and want to prevent grass clippings from getting dragged into the house, garage, or onto patios. If that's you, the Ego is probably a good fit. Like many battery mowers today, the Ego is equipped with an all-plastic deck that will never rust, and a tilt-forward handle that also telescopically adjusts to suit the user's height. To make it even easier to use, it has single-lever deck height adjustment with a large T-shaped handle. This mower also has one of the better speed control mechanisms we've seen, a simple dial that you rotate forward and back. Number 2. Worx 40V Power Share 14-inch Electric Lawn Mower. The Worx WG779 is notably small, which makes it ideal for anyone who has a small lawn to mow, or needs a walk behind to trim around trees and garden beds. Its 14-inch cutting deck is certainly smaller than you'll find on most other mowers, but it makes up for it with a compact design that's easy to store in your shed or garage. Its small stature also makes it lightweight. At just 29 pounds, it's lighter and easier to maneuver than most mowers we've tested. With this mower, you can mulch or bag your clippings. It also features a power adjustment setting, letting you increase the power if you need to get through thick grass, or lower it if you're doing maintenance trimming and want to conserve battery power. The WG779 has its limitations. It is not made for large lawns or intensive grass cutting. That said, it is definitely worth a look if you have a small lawn or just need something small and light for precise trimming. Number 3. Craftsman V20 20-inch Brushless Electric Lawn Mower. Craftsman's secret to its humongous cut area is simple: put 2 9Ah batteries on a light mower with a light blade and omit the drive. Remember, this is a push mower, not self-propelled. The result is that every bit of its battery capacity goes into cut area and run time, almost exactly 90 minutes. This push mower is light, 36.6 pounds with the batteries and bag, and it's light duty in a pleasing way. Remove the batteries in the bag, and it weighs slightly more than 30 pounds. It's small enough and light enough you can put it on a shelf when you're done or for storage during the off-season. The Craftsman is a middle-of-the-road machine in terms of its bagging capability. It mulches better than it bags, we found, and the quality of its cut surface is quite good, although we did notice some clumping when the grass was tall and moist. When the grass dried out later in the day, this Craftsman's mulching performance was as good as any other mower. On the other hand, we were surprised at its spunkiness with the deck set up high and its side discharge chute in place. No, this isn't a gas engine mower. You won't use it to knock down weeds in an overgrown yard. On the other hand, compared to a gas engine mower, it's almost vacuum cleaner quiet, and it's pleasant to use with an all-plastic deck that's easy to clean. Number 4. Ego Power Plus T6 Electric Riding Lawn Mower. PM Deputy Reviews editor Colin Aylesworth tested out Ego's 56-volt T6 electric lawn tractor on his roughly half-acre property. He noted its superb cut quality, quiet operation, and variable speeds. Regardless of which drive speed setting I'm in, This tractor is easy to creep along at low speeds, he notes, which is handy when I'm backing it into my shed. Though Ego claims this tractor can mow up to 1.5 acres of grass on a set of 6 fully charged 6.0Ah batteries, Aylesworth ran the mower at middle settings for both blade speed and ground speed and found it drained nearly 70% of the battery's combined capacity. Keep in mind that manufacturer battery runtime claims are typically made from testing in specific conditions and with the mower in certain settings. This means battery runtime in real-world conditions may vary. Number 5. Ego Power Plus Z6 42-inch zero-turn riding lawn mower. Editor's note: the 42-inch model has been in and out of stock, but the 52-inch model is available and comes with 6 batteries instead of just 4. Zero-turn mowers offer more precision and speed than other riding mowers. Its lap bars and independent drive wheels allow you to make tight turns you couldn't make with a traditional steering wheel. The Ego Z6 can run at speeds from 3 to 7 miles per hour with an electric motor that's equivalent to a 22 horsepower gas engine, giving you the ability to cover a lot of ground quickly. It delivers a sharp cut with a twin-blade, 42-inch deck, which cuts at 3 speeds, with 10 height settings from 1.5 to 4.5 inches. You can also choose between mulching, bagging, and side discharge disposal options for your clippings, though the bagging attachments are sold separately. So there you have it, the 5 electric mowers that truly earned their spot. Whether you have a postage stamp or a half-acre, one of these is your key to a greener, quieter, and frankly easier lawn. I've packed the video description with direct links to every model we covered today so you can check current prices and specs for yourself. If this honest breakdown saved you hours of research, please hit that like button, share this with a neighbor who is still using that gas guzzler, and subscribe to the channel because next week we're testing robotic mowers that cut your grass while you sleep. You won't believe the results.